Today, I'm going to show you how to import a CSV file into Google Sheets, a super useful skill for quickly bringing external data into your spreadsheets. First, make sure your CSV is downloaded to your computer. If your file is already on Google Drive, you can use that too. Any CSV stored in your drive, including files shared with you, will appear in the Import menu. To start, go to File, Import. You have a few options depending on how you want to bring in the data. Create a new spreadsheet. This makes a completely new Google Sheet for your CSV. Insert New Sheet. Adds a new tab to your current Google Sheet. Replace Current Sheet. Overwrites the data in your current tab. Append to Current Sheet. Adds the CSV data below your existing data. Replace data at selected cell. Only replaces the data starting at the cell you select. For this example, I'm going to insert a new sheet, so the CSV becomes its own tab. Next, Google Sheets will ask about the separator. You can let it detect automatically, or choose comma, tab, or custom if your CSV uses something specific. You can also choose whether to convert text to numbers, dates, and formulas. If you don't want that, just uncheck the option. Once everything is set, click Import Data. Depending on the size of your file, it might take a few seconds to load. And just like that, your CSV is now in Google Sheets, ready for analysis, sorting, or visualization. If you want to test this yourself, in the description, a sample CSV you can use. Save it as a CSV and try importing it with the steps above.